Sanju, what is news today?
It's Tuesday.
It is news, okay.
Newsday. Do news, Sanju?
Yeah, news. Read the news quickly.
Hello, this is my favorite homework. And then our daddy's news.
Okay.
And then
It's going to rain today.
I'm going to rain today. And the backyard is rain. It's very cold today. And then there were the flowers and clothes.
Daddy
and
went to
the
office.
camera.
Yeah, Daddy went to office.
And Cameron go India. And then there was a little girl, but it's in a tree. It's closed on the flower. But it's raining today. Thanks.
Tomorrow
Off it off.
it's going to be very
Tomorrow it's going to be very hot. And
Yes.
then it's very cold today. And then everyone said help, help, help.
Tomorrow is Christmas.
Tomorrow it's Christmas
You have to
today,
see the
but
TV.
tomorrow.
You have to see here,
Because
TV.
I know it's practice. It says and then there was a gonna go like that. And my news on TV. And then 11 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 2 years now. Sue is down is my news. And then say hello, hello, hello.
Bye, bye.
And then
Bye.
and bye.
Good night.
And then good night.
Good night, everyone.
Good night, everyone. That is another
Join me tomorrow.
Have a nice
Don't
Christmas.
be to,
Join me tomorrow
and don't be tomorrow
at 6 o'clock.
at 6 o'clock.
Have a good Christmas
Have a good Christmas
and bye.
and bye
And Happy New Year.
and Happy New Year.
Smile
Bye from Sanju.
from Sanjana.
And then bye from Sanjana.
Kulkarni.
Kulkarni.